Welcome to episode 3 of Random Past Questions. Today we are doing a grade 10 example. So when we look at this question, we see that it's a simplification question where we have three terms and we can see that our denominator here is a minus 4, we have a denominator of a plus 3, and then we have a trinomial here. So in most cases, what we have to do here is factorize this trinomial first, and then we'll have greater clarity on what to do. So this is equal to, you can say we leave this as it is, a minus 4 plus 2 over a plus 3 minus 21. And the important thing here is to factorize this trinomial. And when we do so, we see that we will have a minus 4, a plus 3. And that simplifies it a lot because now when we have fractions, what we need to do, we need to find the lowest common denominator. And we do that by observing the current denominators. And we see here we have a minus 4, here we have a plus 3, and here we have a repeat. We have a minus 4 again, and then we have a plus 3 again. So this one is actually quite simple in the sense that our denominator, we don't repeat them. So our common denominator will be a minus 4 and a plus 3. So how do we make sure that this denominator is okay? We make sure that each of these denominators can be divided by the lowest common denominator. So can a minus 4 go into this? Perfectly, absolutely. Can a plus 3 go into this? Definitely. And can this entire thing be found here? Absolutely. So we know we're on the right track. Now, how do we proceed from this point? We look at this. We have a minus 4 here. Okay. So when we're dividing our lowest common denominator by the denominator of this first term, we'll be left with a plus 3. So then we take the numerator, which is 3, and we multiply it by the remainder, which is a plus 3. Now we do the same for this, and we'll have plus 2 into a minus 4. Now here, the entire denominator will cancel out, so we'll just be left with 21. And now we open this up using the distributive law, and we're going to get 3a plus 9. Here we're going to get plus 2a minus 8 and minus 21 over our common denominator of a minus 4, a plus 3. And then we simplify the top. We look for our like terms. We have 3a plus 2a. We'll have 5a. And here we have 9 minus 8, which will give us 1. And 1 minus 21, which will be minus 20. And that will be over our common denominator. And now we have to ask ourselves one more question. Can we factorize this? Can we factorize this? And the answer is yes, because there's a common factor on the top. We have 5 that will go into 5, and 5 that can be divided, 20 can also be divided by 5. And we're just going to let that equal to 5 as a common factor into a minus 4. If you want more tips on factorization, you can find them in one of our previous videos where we go into detail how to actually factorize almost anything. And getting back to this example, we have a minus 4, a plus 3, and here we see that we have a minus 4 in the numerator and the denominator, and we can cancel that out. And our final answer will be 5 over a plus 3. I hope that this helped. And if you guys have any more questions, please leave it in the comments. And if you want personal lessons, you can contact the number in the description or the number that's found on the screen. Thank you.